Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. This is a brokerage boat. Let's do a little walkthrough. One nice thing he added to it was a sea deck on the swim platform. This boat does have the optional hydraulic swim platform with the telescopic ladders, so as you lower the swim platform down, these stairs will follow you down there. Really great for getting back up in the boat when you want to use this kind of like your little beach area. Also does have the Kenya grill and gourmet station back here on the back. Everybody loves that. Those hot summer days, you're really going to appreciate the sheriff shade that's right above. A lot of my customers really spend a lot of time right here on the boat when they're anchored out at the lake. Let's walk up here into the cockpit. He did order the optional high gloss table, which is really nice. You can fold it over to give it more room getting out of the seats. Just a beautiful table back here. Very nice option. One thing you're probably familiar with is you can open up this sliding galley. So on some nice days, open all this up together. You have one big area. Not only you're sitting outside, anybody that's inside watching the game or TV, enjoying the party and the group, talk, conversation, all together. Really, really nice option. Also, you can open up the sunroof too if you want more of a summer feel. The breeze blowing through here. Or if it's a really hot day, close this up and leave the heat of the air conditioner on. Up here on the bow of the 400 Sundancer, great lounge area. You can either have it flat and low or kick up your knees in a headrest for a nice chase lounge. Like all of our boats, got a remote control spotlight. You got the nice stainless. These upgrade. You got the nice pretty stainless steel anchor on that comes with it. Really easy access to your line and chain down there, and even a wash down system if you want to get off that nice pretty stainless steel anchor. As we move into the salon, nice U-shaped seating. I got seating facing each other and we have conversations. You ordered with the optional high-low table, so this table can be down low or up high. Also, that sofa will pull out and make it to their sleeping bed. It does have the drapes that can go down the blinds, give you some privacy, and a full drape curtain across the back door. Normal layout you're going to see. It's you got a double burner here, the stove top, oversized refrigerator here. The sink and storage is all great. Nice little place to keep your flatware and silverware right here in the counter. At the helm, this boat was ordered with dual opening windows, so when you're pulling the boat into the slip, you can open up the windows and talk to the people on the dock, which is really nice and convenient, you know, for them getting the dock lines and helping you out at the gas dock or the restaurant. This one does have the two bigger Ray Marine upgraded screens on the dash. We also ordered this with the joystick control, so this one does have a bow thruster on it. The Cummins diesel engines, great engine, the boat runs phenomenal. Really, really nice helm, easy layout. This joystick right here, an opening window to talk to them, makes docking the boat a breeze. Again, we saw the skylight. Just push a button, let some sunshine in or breeze in. It's a really cool option, really opens up the boat. Open or close, push of a button. You don't have to worry about a bunch of canvas in the wintertime. It's really great. Let's step down below and we'll take a look at the two staterooms. So this boat has two twin beds. They can slide together. You can pull out this little package tray here, slide them together and make one big bed. You do have a TV down here, so you can watch TV, air channels, DVDs, movies. If you want to get KVH, you can get satellite TV here too. Nice big windows on the side to let a bunch of light in. This boat was ordered. This is an option on the side, so all these are storage compartments, which is a nice option. You always got stuff on a boat. Where are you going to keep everything? So instead of another third bed down here, it's an option to get this storage tray. So you got a place to put extra pillows and blankets. Nice. There's a big closet right here too. The boat comes with a central vacuum, which is nice. It's operated through this closet. Big nice hose can reach everywhere in the boat. The master stateroom, which is forward on the 400 Sundancer. As you come in, a nice centerline bed, big windows, lets in a lot of light. You got a skylight above, lets in light also. This boat was the traditional layout, so there's only one head and shower on the boat. But with that, I'll show you what my customers really like is all the storage. If you get that second head, it's nice to have a second head, but it really cuts into the master stateroom. With this layout, you get about 2 more feet of room in front of the bed, but also you got just tons of storage. storage. There's even this pull-out little stool, and if you want to, there's a little pull-out. If you want to do some work with a laptop or a little vanity, it's really nice. Great storage and room in this master stateroom. So in the evening time, you have direct access to the head or to the shower, so you got full privacy there. And that is a separate shower, stand-up shower stall. It's got the vacuum flush head. Again, it's a 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. It's on Freshwater Lake here in North Texas. It's a 2-owner boat. There's 105 hours on these engines and 330 hours on the generator. Been kept in a covered slip. If you're looking for a pre-owned Sea Ray 400 Sundancer, please give me a call. Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. My cell phone's 214-244-5535. Thank you.